So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
Street hip-hop singer, Habeeb Okikiola, popularly known as Portable, has confirmed his romantic relationship with the late Alaafin of Oyo's wife, Queen Dami. This is coming after the screenshots of their chats where they both exchange endearing words like my king and queen with love emojis surfaced on the internet. Speaking of his relationship with Queen, during an interview on the Honest Bunch podcast with on-air personality, Nedu Wazobia, the self-acclaimed Ika of Africa noted that after King Na King. When asked about the rumor, Portable in a now trending video on social media said, "Queen Dami has been my fan from day one, when I now heard of the king's death, after King Na King. You wouldn't have seen me with her if the king was still alive. I know day follow person wife." Queen Dami, the former spouse of the late Alaafin of Oyo, also openly shown fondness for the fast-rising and contentious performer, Habeeb Okikiola, popularly known as Portable. There were indications that the ex-partner of the deceased Alaafin had a romantic involvement with Portable, who had just married an actress. In a recent Instagram story, Queen Dami's new post was seen openly expressing affection for Portable. While they haven't officially confirmed their relationship, it's worth mentioning that the ex-Oyo queen has been frequently incorporating the singer's songs into her videos and social media updates.